Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about Rational Root Theorem. Now, what is Rational Root Theorem? Rational Root Theorem is a method that we can use in order for us to determine the possible zeros of a polynomial function. Okay, so let's have an example in determining the possible zeros of a polynomial function. F of x is equal to 3x raised to 3 plus 5x squared minus 4x minus 4. Our first step in identifying the possible zeros is for us to find our value for p and our value for q. So for the p, it will be the constant term. So in this case, it is negative 4. Then for our q, it is going to be the leading term of our polynomial function. So in this case, it is 3. Then after getting the p and q, we will get their factors. So for negative 4, the factors of negative 4 are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, and positive negative 4. Okay, next let's find the factors of 3. So we have here positive negative 1 and positive negative 3. After getting the factors of p and q, we will now proceed to getting our possible zeros, which will be the quotient of p and q. So let's divide our factors for p and factors for q. So starting with 1 divided by 1, that will give us positive negative 1. 2 divided by 1, that will give us positive negative 2. Next, 4 divided by 1, that will give us positive negative 4. Then, let's proceed to 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 is positive negative 1/3. 2 divided by 3 is positive negative 2/3. And 4 divided by 3 is positive negative 4/3. Here are the possible zeros of our polynomial function f of x. So we have positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 4, positive negative 1/3, positive negative 2/3, and positive negative 4/3. And that's it. Alright, ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.